2015 Chevrolet Tahoe, the 5.3 liter V8 engine. It's due for an oil change. It's a beautiful morning. Time to get it done. We are underneath the vehicle, right behind the rear front tires. Nice and easy to get to. Don't have to use jack stands or ramps. Oil drain plug is right there, easy to get to. Oil filter is right next to it. GM engines are always easy to get to. 15mm wrench goes right there on the drain plug. Twisting it counterclockwise will free it up. You pull it out, oil gets to drain out. Oil filter is right next to it. Sometimes when it's tight, you need one of these fancy wrenches. Go right up over top the sway bar here, right around the filter, and then counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, spins off the oil filter. That comes down, drains out the oil. New filter goes on, drain plug goes back in, and fill it up from the top. You're underneath the engine compartment. Right here is where oil goes in. Simply twist the cap off, remove it. Oil goes right down in there. Takes 0W20. It's always recommended. Once it's done, put it right in there. Engine oil dipstick to check the level. Online it always says 8 quarts. If you actually read the manual, it says 8.5 quarts of oil is required to do the oil change in this vehicle.